Thai ice cream is a staple within the tourism of Thailand, and here's a quick demonstration of how it's made. The condiment of your choice, in this case white chocolate and Oreos, is mixed with an ice cream base on a surface which is minus 30 degrees Celsius cold. There's also hybrids like with chocolate and M&Ms. After the ice cream is thoroughly mixed, it is spread out on the surface to have the most contact area to freeze.
Let's work for him.
After it is solidly frozen, it is scraped off the surface and we have our ice cream base done.
Huh? Better? Better? Served like this in rows.
Wow, that's so cool.
That's so cool.
I've never seen that before.
Me neither.
The ice cream is then decorated with a condiment of your choice and some whipped cream. Or not. That's funny, that's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So funny yesterday. Okay. You have Zambian chocolate?
Zambian chocolate.
Take a couple of seconds. Dude, this is what's good. Perfect ice cream.
Yeah? What other adjectives are you going to use to describe this ice cream?
Yeah.
Legendary, epico, supersonic, majestic.
I'm good then. Thanks.